Sometimes we want the same value displayed for every single one of our items, and across multiple tables. For example, every product in this app has the same returns policy displayed in a basic text component. With the single value column, we can make this policy display on every item and update it everywhere it appears, just by making one change to the source of this data. Let's take this product table, for example. We have an existing column with return policies for different types of products. We can create a single value column that pulls in the return policy for each of our products. To configure the column, decide which row should be used as the single value and which column the value should be fetched from. For this example, we'll pull the first, most general return policy row from the return policy column we already have. Now the return policy appears for every product in this table. On this table, I have specific products that have a shorter return policy window. Here I can create a single value column that uses the return policy in the second row by configuring the column to get from row 2 in my return policy column. In this way, when the return policies update for any reason, we can adjust the policy in just one place, the source column, and it will automatically update the value anywhere it appears in our app. To learn more, visit glideapps.com/learn.